Swadika, Namaste everyone and welcome to this morning at Amaravati Wellness Center and Amaravati Academy. Today, this morning, I want to share you with the sound bath. Yes, of course, this is sound. Every sound, every music, every song is always healing you anyway. Like you can feel the lyrics, or you can feel from the note, from the beat. Always connect to how to say, like yourself and your soul, your mind. And also this one I tune all my instrument with the 432 frequency. It's a good vibration. It's like a vibration from the earth, right? So this vibration is good for effect to all your 7 chakras and also with your mind and your body too. Today I'm gonna start with the all different instrument. Like you see, this one in front of you, this is called crystal balls, and this one is happy drums. This one moshang, and this one kalimba, and this is my team today, my assistant, my friend, my musician, Mr. Ziya Tabassian, and this is his instrument. He's gonna jam today. He already tuned with the 432 frequency. This is a tombak drum from Iranian drum, and this one is violin. Okay, I just sit back and relax and try to keep awake, and then open your ears, open your mind, and close your eyes. For now, it's relax your head, relax your neck, relax your shoulder, relax your chest, relax your arm, relax your palms, relax your body, relax your hips, relax your thighs, relax your legs, relax your feet. You can concentrate to your breath. And now we're going to start. relax your mind and your body. You can use imagination, follow all the sounds. This sound is vibration is connect to your all the 7 chakras to motivate your power in this morning. This one for your heart chakra. When your heart open, your heart clear, your heart positive, you're going to speak something good and do something good to others. First, start from yourself. The second is your throat chakra. Power of your words, of your kindness from your heart, the truth from your heart, you share to the others, and we make yourself and everybody happy. Today, I wish you guys be good to everyone. And also yourself too. And now I want to give you the sacral chakra. For somebody who just start to have a good breakfast, good coffee and good tea today. Let you feel everything you eat is connect to yourself with a positive, good energy when you receive everything in this morning. You can use the imagination or also put the energy to the food and everything before you eat to make you feel good and also motivate your power and give you energy. How about the motivation for today? To have power for active. I'm going to give you this sound for root chakra. To use to work today, you have to handle too many things in life. You have to meet many situations and so many people. I give you power from the third eye with this sound. And for the digestions in your stomach, after you have good food, have energy, and also you have awake your scent, I give you this solar chakra, this sound. And for the last one, every day when you do meditation, you should open your crown chakra to receive power from nature. Everything all around you can be the energy you receive in every day. This one for crown chakra. own body have the four elements, same on the kind of the instrument. We give you the sounds of the earth, water, fire, and air. You can feel the sounds of the earth is from the drum. It's heavy, a motivation. And all the beats can make you stronger to motivate your fire. After you feel strong, you have body, and then you need to motivate your fire in their lives to have the energy to do everything, to go follow your dream, to do everything you want to get in the day and complete your mission. You have to grow your fire from your root chakra. This is sound for the drum, for the earth element and the fire. And also violin can make the sound of the water to cold and fresh, and the air too. This is the magic of the sound of instrument. You can see the material to make from the wood, and also can create the miracle thing and connect to your all elements in your body. If you feel cool and fresh in this morning, it's not too cool, just cool and fresh in the morning. The imagination when you stay on the top of the mountain and you feel the cold fresh air with the wind blow, and also help to motivate your water element and also the wind element in your body and your soul. Of the crystal ball is connect to vibration or 7 chakras with your prana. Is from your soul. Life is magic. All the sounds, all the vibration, all everything we hear, everything we feel, we can take and receive to our body, our mind, our soul, to give yourself energy, and also can give the powerful motivation. After we relax own body and own mind, so now it's time to come back to focus and concentrate to your breath. let yourself know you're still awake. And soon you will be ready to move and go back to continue the thing you have to respond in the day. And now you can open your eyes, get back to yourself. After really like with the sound bath, all the vibration, key notes, everything to give you the energy today. I like to call the sound bath. It's not just only we here. All the body can receive, like you take a bath, take a shower. This is how you can receive the sound of the music, also all the vibration, and also the energy for the people who create the sound for you. Thank you very much, everyone in the class today, in these sections. I hope you guys enjoy and relax and have a good experience today. And thank you people for watching too. If you guys enjoy anything, can leave a comment below. And if you want to have this experience, you can come to Amaravati Wellness Center. And also if you want to learn the meditation, yoga, music, and also practice anything for spiritual way, we are welcome with Amaravati Academy in Marim in Chiang Mai. Also you can check on the website amaravatiwellnesscenter.com. How was the experience today? It's good? Wait. I would like to say one more time. Okay, now thank you all the guests in here again, and yes, to spend the time together on the journey. And thank you all the instruments. Thank you all universe. Thank you everyone and everything. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you in here or. Keep in touch, stay soon in the Facebook or our page, Amaravati Academy and Amaravati Wellness Center. Have a lovely day. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.